Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into some new dip powders from Virgo Gem. These colors here are part of the new Valentine's Day collection of 2023. The first color here, it's called Sweet as Pie, and it's a beautiful pink, and it has a very subtle shimmer to it. It's just simply beautiful. And then Love in the Villa, you can see here all that gorgeous shimmer in here. It's a very pretty red. It's like the perfect amount of brightness and darkness in that one red color, and then it has that pop of shimmer. And then That's Amore is a really pretty color as well. It has almost like a jelly base to it, and then it has these irregular shard glitters in there, and to me it looks like rose petals. I just think it's really unique and beautiful. And then Wedding Season is definitely a staple color. It is that beautiful pearl white with those iridescent color shifting glitters in there. And then Flower Bouquet is a mixture of some white color shifting glitters, and it has some red irregular shaped glitters in there, and then some beautiful heart glitters. I really love this one so much. And then Purple Hearts is a really pretty lilac lavender color, and it has these white hearts in there, and they're just so fun. And those hearts, by the way, those are glitters, and they lay super flat. They're very, very thin. And then No Limit is really pretty. This is giving me like that Valentine's Day chocolate kind of vibe. So it's that beautiful like chocolate gold color shimmer, and then it has pink and white hearts in there. And then here are all the colors together. There is one more color in the collection. It is called That's My Jam. It's a purple color. But these are the 7 out of the 8 colors. And then here are the 3 colors that we're going to use for today's mani. And then for today's mani, we are going to be making a press-on set, and we will be doing dip liquids. We are going to dive right into Love is in the Air, and you will see the color payoff of Love is in the Air with just one dip. Let's just give it a moment here and wait till you see the shimmer here. It is so pretty. I think this is a very elegant color. The red color is just right. It's just like the perfect amount of just like that bright red, but yet it has like a little bit of a darker undertone to it. It's just really, really pretty. And these colors here are part of that new Virgo Gem collection for Valentine's Day. And these dips are limited edition, so once they run out, they are gone. They will not be restocking the Valentine's Day collection. So if you are eyeing up any of these beautiful colors, definitely head over to Virgo Gem and snatch them up, because these are some really pretty colors. And even though there's 2 of them that have hearts in them, or 3 of them, they are super fun, and you can definitely dip into those powders and not pick up the hearts as well. So these colors are definitely perfect for all year long. And we will be using the other colors in this collection, and we will be doing a dip powder mani that will not be a press-on. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Mallory. I do daily uploads featuring all different brands of dip powder. Normally I like to stay like exclusive, so if I'm doing like a Virgo Gem, I like to make sure I'm using like all Virgo Gem products. But right now I do not have any liquids. I need to order some Virgo Gem liquids and a clear dip powder. But normally I like to keep all my manis pretty much one brand to really focus on that company alone, to kind of do like a highlight of it, so you can really see a variety of different companies and how the different powders perform. I do a mixture of press-ons and dip powder manis on my natural nails and over jelly tips. Tomorrow we are doing something very special on my channel, and it's the first time I'm going to be doing this. So I'm very excited. I wish I could share that with you right now, but we're going to keep the suspense going. So definitely check out tomorrow's video. You do not want to miss it. I will give you a small preview of tomorrow. It's going to be dipping on shorties. So that's going to be me dipping onto my natural nails, but there is a special surprise in that video, so stay tuned for that. All right, so let's dive into this mani process, and then I will pop back in at the end.
'Cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your harder temptation. 'Cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and how red and vibrant is this mani? I think it's really pretty and elegant for Valentine's Day, and Flower Bouquet is so unique and pretty. I can't get over staring at that with the hearts, and then That's Amore is giving me all those crushed rose petal vibes. It's just overall such a unique, beautiful collection, and it's definitely a must-have for this Valentine's Day season. Now, if these colors from Virgo and Gem were your cup of tea, head over to Virgo and Gem. They have tons of beautiful shimmers and glitters and solids. There's definitely something there that will catch your eye, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.